Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with the VR for Donna Little. Hey Donna! Donna's having a challenge on her channel right now, and she challenged us to make things with things that we had purchased from her YouTube store. And I'm sure most of you know her. She sells wedding appliques and laces and beautiful things, and she also sells grab bags with vintage laces in them, and that is mainly what I have purchased from Donna because I love vintage trims, and she has the best grab bags and vintage laces. I just love them. So I pulled out my little stack that I've got left. It's time for me to hit you up again, I think, Donna. I'm getting to the end of my stash, but I used a lot of these trims and laces that are vintage. I had to make some cards for some swaps and challenges I'm doing, so that's what I decided to make with the laces. So let me just show you some of these vintage laces that I've gotten from Donna. There's this one, and again, they're all in a grab bag, so, but I've never had a lace in the grab bag that I did not like. And this one is so old. I just love it. I absolutely love this one. It's so beautiful. And then there is this piece. So pretty. I just love vintage trims. And then this one, also one of my favorites. So beautiful. And then this piece here. So these are the laces that I've used on the cards, and I'll point them out to you when I show you the cards. So here's the first one, and the doily was mine. That was from a bigger table runner, and I put it there. And then I've used the crochet trim and then the beige trim there going down the side, and then I made one of my little flowers here with some bling. So that's the front of that card, and of course there's glue strings, of course. So that is my card. Very simple, but I love how they came out. And then this one has some fussy cut butterfly and a rose here. And I cut this out of a paper line. I think it was a Kaiser Craft. It says treasured and the meaning. Little crochet flower, and then I've used this beautiful lace here, which is this gorgeous white one. So I used that one from Donna. And then this card here is very vintage looking. Oh, and I don't have any of that one left, I don't think, but this crochet trim at the top here is from Donna. And then there's this beautiful vintage one, and then I used more of that crocheted trim there. And then that eyelet is under here. And then this one, which I also didn't show. Okay, this one is also from Donna, and I made a bow out of that. You can see right there how pretty that is. And then I just added some eyelash trim on top, and then a doily and in pink, and then another vintage one, and then a crocheted flower and a few little paper flowers. So that's that card. And then this one here, I used the same, this white lace again underneath here. You can see it peeking out here. And then I made a bow here with some more of the vintage trims. And then I made another flower and added this lady and a paper doily. And then this has the meaning for the word beautiful, and just a couple of millinery flowers poking out there, and flat back pearl for the center. And the paper is Prima paper. Yeah, this is all Prima paper, in case anybody's interested. So that's what I did for your challenge, Donna, and I love, love, love Donna's vintage goodies. I have some doilies from her that are very old, and I won't cut them. They're being hoarded for the time being. I don't think I can cut them. They're just beautiful. But that's where I get my vintage laces and doilies and things from Donna. But she has, of course, a wide variety of things that she sells. So I'm going to have the link to her channel in the description box, and I hope that you will go over and check out her challenge and everything that she has for sale. It's great, and I love getting the grab bags from Donna. So thank you for having the challenge, Donna, and I hope you like everything that I made, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye, guys.